ain't no saint. Hollering out Jesus' name when you are two-faced. Hold your veil to the light, cause you might get spanked. Hold your veil to the light, cause you might get spanked. You told me you love me and worship the ground that I walked on, telling me it's all about me when you had a plot all along. Of a scheme, trails bleed from a broken wing. You follow your tears from a heart and open up this king. From the closed door, from the start, you found a way in. This is a part 2 of fake ass just a friend. You played a spider and had me caught up your web, the Goldilocks. Somebody is sleeping in my bed. It was a stranger, cause baby, I didn't even know you. Because if I did, you wouldn't even have a place to go to. Your shit is a lie. On some Dr. Heckle and Mrs. Hyde, you turn and switch. What? On some grass and green on the other side, I felt misled without even missing a beat. I played the track, and you was the one who's bringing the heat. How much more I gotta put up with your mysterious kiss? You became a bitch. On some old dogged out shit. A pretty face can turn to a witch. And if you don't believe me, check out that Snow White chick. This is a trick. Your last name must be Houdini. A blindfold out the eyes of bikini. The pain outside, the chopping down these bleeding trees. This is a broken heart redemption. Somebody help me, please. Go to hell, bitch. You ain't no saint. Hollering out Jesus' name when you are two-faced. Hold your veil to the light, cause you might get spanked. Church bells, go to hell, bitch, you ain't no saint. Hollering out Jesus' name when you are two-faced. Hold your veil to the light, cause you might get spanked. Hold your veil to the light, cause you might get spanked. Church bells, go to hell, bitch, you ain't no saint. Hollering out Jesus' name when you are two-faced. Hold your veil to the light, cause you might get spanked. Hold your veil to the light, cause you might get spanked. Church bell. Woke up from a nightmare from the lady in red. Disappear in the night, just up and fled to the next nigga that quick. Bitch, you make me sick. There should be a law against a bitch like you, but you can't teach an old dog new tricks. A broken record plays the same old song. You skip a beat in my heart, so you know you was wrong. Ungrateful for all the shit I did for you. I hung with you, but your love wasn't true. You betrayed our trust, Miss Benedict Barner. You reap what you sow, so no more sore through your heart of a Valentine. Your love is just carnal, a temporary excuse. My love's been bruised and used by this little Red Riding Hood who was hollering out wolf. Hollering out Jesus' name when you are two-faced. Hold your veil to the light, cause you might get spanked. Hold your veil to the light, cause you might get spanked. Church bells, go to hell, bitch, you ain't no saint. Hollering out Jesus' name when you are two-faced. Hold your veil to the light, cause you might get spanked. Hold your veil to the light, cause you might get spanked. Church bells, go to hell, bitch, you ain't no saint. Hollering out Jesus' name when you are two-faced. Hold your veil to the light, cause you might get spanked. Hold your veil to the light, cause you might get spanked. Church bells, go to hell, bitch, you ain't no saint. Hollering out Jesus' name when you are two-faced. Hold your veil to the light, cause you might get spanked. Hold your veil to the light, cause you might get spanked. Church bells, go to hell, bitch, you ain't no saint. Hollering out Jesus' name when you are two-faced. Hold your veil to the light, cause you might get spanked. Hold your veil to the light, cause you might get spanked.